Tere, Rakvere! Sprite tänavakorvpall 2014. 9. aasta tänavakorvpalli Eesti meistrivõistluse teine etapp täna Rakveres. Lähme vaatame.
When I pretend everything is what I want it to be, I look exactly like what you had always wanted to see. When I pretend, I can't pretend I'm who you want me to be, so if you feeling like a pimp, nigga, go on, brush your shoulders off. Ladies is pimps too, go on, brush your shoulders off. Niggas is crazy, baby, don't forget that boy told you get that dirt off your shoulders. I probably owe it to y'all, probably be locked by the force, trying to hustle some things that go with the Porsche. Feeling no remorse, feeling like my hand was forced. Middle finger to the law, nigga, gripping my balls. Said the ladies, they love me, from the bleachers, they screaming. All the ballers is bouncing, they like the way I be leaning. All the rappers be hating off the track that I'm making, but all the hustlers, they love it just to see one of us make it. Came from the bottom to the top of the pops. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Selline oli tänavakorvpall Rakveres. 2 nädala pärast Otepääl. Seal näeme.